What's going on, everybody? It's Roy McFroy. Today we are rebuilding this 660. It's an Aprilia. It's an RS-660. There's a friend that got in an accident and he wants to rebuild it. There's a lot of work we gotta do. We gotta do brake lines, reservoir, new bar end, bar, throttles, new front wheel. Look at that front wheel. This was all from hitting a curb. And apparently it wasn't like a square curve, it was a rounded curve. So be cautious of these wheels. Got a bunch of parts over here, brake lines, new tires, rims. Gas tank's gonna try to get painted. There's a whole bucket full of stock parts. If you guys need any stock Aprilia 660 parts, let me know. We got a ton of them. Alright, well, let's get into it. So there you have it. There's the wheel, the front rim, at least, that exploded on impact. Now we get the front rim off. You can see where right here we're cracked. Right there's where it hit a curb and then it cracked and then it exploded. Rims shouldn't do that.
Damn, you got them all fast as shit. The plastic?
No, so they look plastic.
Oh.
So they're probably
They look nice.
probably cast aluminum forever. There's actually even a dent in this rim too, from the accident. That's crazy. So if you guys have a Aprilia 660 and you ride on the street, you should probably replace your rims. If it's a 2020 to 2022, be careful of potholes and rims cracking. So this whole front fairing has to be taken apart just to disconnect the throttle. Which is going to take me at least 30 minutes to take this apart and put it back together. For right now, got the tires off. Working on the throttle. And maybe the rear sets, if we can get it done. There you have it. There's RS-660 front headlight. It's only bolted in by 4 screws. Here, 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 and here. And one of them wasn't even the proper screw, so who knows if that's from factory or if that's someone just rigged it. just want to show you what you have to go through just to get the throttle taken apart out of the bike. I don't even know where it is yet. I have to dive through here and look. So it's this cable. Yeah. It's this guy in here. So we'll have to get this out and somehow reroute it back through here. I guess we're going to end the video here for this part of the build. I'm going to have to take the exhaust off just to get this right brake fixed here, because I can't get the bolt out with this exhaust there. Other than that, just waiting on the front rim and the rear rim. Well, the rear rim's over here. We have to get the new tire swapped on. So once we get that swapped on, then we can put it back on. Over here, I got the new shifter installed. Probably have to tighten that up. So see where it lines up with his foot, and we'll get that tightened up. We got the front fairing back together, the stay and the fairing. Get the headlight put back on. Got the gauge cluster back in there. We gotta install a new clip-on, so this is just for looks for right now. He doesn't know if he's gonna get aftermarket AGV brake levers or not, so we'll wait on those. We're gonna do the front brakes, and then pretty much is putting it back together, fairings and everything else. And we got this Suzuki Gixxer 750 sitting over here. Something's going on. I don't know if it's a fuel pump issue, spark plug issue. Could be a little bit of both. It's got 38,000 miles on it, and I think it's like a 2012. So that needs maintenance too. But for right now, we're gonna get this one back on the road and running. Maybe we'll do a test ride of it when it gets back on the road. See how they handle. A lot of people like him for track bikes. He's got a lot of track parts for this bike. He's actually sold a lot of it, but he had a bunch of track parts for it and he was selling it. So alright, you guys stay tuned for the next video and check out the build. Thanks for watching.